Alright, yeah, welcome back. So today I got this 2011 Jeep Compass. So I'm doing the AC hose. So this is discharge hose for the AC right there. So and this is the part number 66133. That's it right there, guys. So let me explain how I remove it. So first I have to remove a 10 bolt from here. That's all the side of the bumper. You remove these screws, which is T15 Torx, to get to those screws. And for the bumper, top of the bumper, let me show you right here alongside the bumper. I remove all those screws. And right here, this is a T25 Torx to remove this rubber piece from here. This is socket. This is it right here, guys. T25. And this is the AC hose. Take a good look on it, guys. So this one is leaking right to the side right. There's a crack. It's leaking right there. So I'm gonna replace it. So to get off that hose, you're gonna pull 213 nuts from it. So I use this ratchet handle with a 1-inch extension with this 13 socket on it. So I'll get that Duralast socket set right there from AutoZone. You can get these in. On to this side, let me show you guys. So you can see right there, that's where I remove one of the AC lines, one of the end of the AC line, right there to the passenger side AC condenser right there. And I remove one of the nut right there. You see that light shining right there, that's studding out. That's the top of the AC compressor. So I remove the nut from there also to get it out. So I have to even remove this piece, which is a 14 spanner. This 14 spanner to get it loose. So I hope this video help you all out there if you're gonna do your AC instead to take off the whole bumper. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.